Hey guys, this is Mr. Pilla. As you can see, I'm doing well. I'm safe. I hope you guys are doing well wherever you're at. The reason for the video this week is because we're going to be trying something new. All right, so up to this point, I've only really had you guys do PowerPoints, which have been easy because you just make the PowerPoint and then you share it with me. This week, we're going to try to do worksheets. Now, as you could probably already imagine, doing worksheets is going to be a little difficult just because of the situation that we're in. But I believe that I've figured out a good way of how we're going to do worksheets moving forward. So in this video, you're going to have a tutorial on how to complete these worksheets. Now, if by the end of the video you have any questions, please send your questions to me on Remind or by email. But hopefully that this tutorial does clear up a lot of your confusion or concerns that you might have. All right, let's get started.
Alright guys, this page here should look familiar to you. This is the first page that you see when you first log into the OneDrive. We've been working out of this emergency lessons folder this whole time, so let's click on that. And you should recognize this page as well. We are currently on week 3, so let's go click on that. And you should have already have seen this page here. You should have clicked on week 3 instructions. That's where you're finding this video that you're currently watching. So I'm going to click on the next folder that says Cycles of Matter. When you click on it, it's going to look like this, where it says Cycles of Matter lesson, but then you're going to see something with your name on it. That is your worksheet that you're going to do for this lesson. So let's click on that. And here's what the worksheets are going to look like. They're done with PowerPoint, so it just kind of looks like a zoomed in picture of the worksheet, but this is all done on PowerPoint. One thing you'll notice is that there's 3 slides over to the left. That means that this worksheet is 3 pages long. Okay, so make sure when you're doing this worksheet you're getting done all 3 pages. The other thing that you'll notice is that there's normal, like worksheet text, and then there's this red font text. Okay, now if you notice, if I go to try to change any of this wording here, I'm not able to. The only wording I can change is whatever's in red, and that's where you're going to put your responses, okay? You'll notice that a lot of the red text says answer here, answer here, answer here. That's where your answers are going to go, okay? This first one up here that says name here, that's where your name is going to go. So my name is Mr. Pilla, so I'm going to put my name right there. Whenever you are going to put an answer, what you're going to do is you're going to replace where it says answer here, and you're going to put an answer. So for example, this question here says, when does precipitation occur? It occurs whenever, right? But see how I was able to change answer here to my answer, right? This question here says, what are the 4 forms of precipitation that are mentioned? I'm going to erase answer here, and then I'm going to put an answer. The 4 forms of precipitation are ... Okay, so you see that I'm able to answer the questions just by taking out the word answer here and filling in my own answer. All right. Also, because this is being done on PowerPoint online, everything gets saved as soon as you write it. There's no need to hit a save button. There's no need to do anything like that. It's all being saved as you type it. One last thing I want to point out is that with this, there's no need to share it with me because I'm actually sharing this with you. Okay? So because it's already being shared between us, there's no need for you to go ahead and share this with me. So all you have to do is fill out the worksheet. And then when I go to check it, I'm able to just click on it and I'm able to see exactly what you wrote. All right? So I hope that video was helpful, guys. If you have any questions, please message me on Remind, or you can message me through email, okay? Do that as soon as possible, so that way if there is any issues, we can figure it out very quickly. One extra thing I'm doing this week is I'm giving you guys a phone number that you can call as well. So if you need to contact me on the phone, you can do that as well. All right, guys? I hope you have a good week. Hope to hear from you soon, and hope you stay safe. All right.